In HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, delta T syndrome is a term used to describe issues arising from an improper temperature difference, delta T, across the evaporator coil. Delta T is the difference between the return air temperature and the supply air temperature. Proper delta T values are crucial for efficient system performance. Symptoms of delta T syndrome: insufficient cooling. The system fails to cool the space effectively, leading to uncomfortable indoor temperatures. Increased energy consumption. The HVAC system works harder to achieve the desired temperature, resulting in higher energy bills. Frequent cycling. The system cycles on and off more frequently than normal, indicating inefficiency. Frost on evaporator coil. Ice or frost buildup on the evaporator coil can be a sign of improper delta T. Unusual noise. The system might make unusual sounds due to strain or improper functioning. Poor airflow. Reduced airflow from the vents can indicate an issue with the delta T. Causes of delta T syndrome: dirty filters. Clogged air filters restrict airflow, affecting the temperature difference. Improper refrigerant charge. Too much or too little refrigerant can impact the delta T. Blocked or dirty coils. Dirty evaporator or condenser coils reduce heat exchange efficiency. Duct issues. Leaks or blockages in the ductwork can alter the airflow and temperature difference. Thermostat problems. Faulty or improperly set thermostats can affect system performance. Improper sizing. An incorrectly sized HVAC system may struggle to maintain proper delta T. Diagnosing and fixing delta T syndrome: check and replace filters. Ensure air filters are clean and replaced regularly. Inspect and clean coils. Clean the evaporator and condenser coils to maintain efficiency. Check refrigerant levels. Ensure the refrigerant is at the proper level and there are no leaks. Inspect ductwork. Check for leaks or blockages in the duct system and repair as necessary. Thermostat calibration. Make sure the thermostat is correctly calibrated and functioning. System sizing. Ensure the HVAC system is appropriately sized for the space it serves. Measuring delta T. Locate the return and supply air vents. Identify the vents where the air returns to the system and where it is supplied to the space. Use a thermometer. Measure the temperature of the return air and the supply air. Calculate delta T. Subtract the supply air temperature from the return air temperature. A typical delta T range for HVAC systems is around 16 to 22 degrees Fahrenheit, 9 to 12 degrees Celsius. Values outside this range may indicate potential issues that need addressing. Please check description for much more.